the large numbers. We studied that all things. Yes. In this class we studied about how to write the word problems depending on that. Last in the previous class we did one problem depending on the large numbers. We'll do the next all in this class. Okay. Before that we'll pray it little bit. Okay. All of you close your eyes. असतोमा सद्गमय तमसोमा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योमा अमृतं गमय ओम शांति शांति शांति. We are praying to the God for our wellness and for our studies. Okay, we'll move to our academics now. Okay children, in the previous class we studied about what? We studied about how to read the kilograms, grams, meters, yes, liters, everything, how to read it and how to write. 1 kilogram is equals to how much? 1 gram is equals to how much? 1 liter is equals to how much? We studied everything. Yes, we studied everything. Depending on that, we did one sum also. Okay, first sum we did. Now we will do the next all sums. In your textbook, page number 15. Open page number 15, children. Next example we will solve. Okay, I will read it once. In one state, the number of bicycles sold in the year 2002 to 2003 was 7,43,000. In year 2003 to 2004, the number of bicycles sold was 8,100,000. In which year more cycles sold? And how many sold? How many more? They are telling that the number of, I am writing, these are the word problems. The number of bicycles sold in the year 2002 to 2003 will be how much? 7,43,000. Yes, 7,43,000. And in the year 2003 to 2004, it increased to how much? 8,100,000. Okay, what they are telling, in which year the cycle sold more? In which year the cycle sold more? We have to find out that. What we have to do, children? First we have to minus these two. Then we get more number of bicycles. How much more bicycles are sold? We can find out. So first what we have to do? We have to minus it. 7,43,000 minus 8,100,000. Minus it. Minus 0, 0. 10 minus 1 will be 9. 2 minus 0 will be 2 only. Yes? We are minusing now. First we have to write 8 lakh first. Okay, sorry. First the more number we have to write up. Okay, yes now. 7,43,000. This will be smaller number. So down we have to write 0, 0, 1. 10 3 minus 1 is a 7. Yes. In 7, okay. In 9, if we minus 4, 5. 7 minus 9 will be 0. We got 57,100 we got. Yes. We got 57,100. So last they are asking that how much, in which year the motorcycle bicycles sold? In which year the motorcycle bicycles sold? In which year? In the 2003 to 2004 he sold more bicycles. Yes. And how many more? How many more? Just more size madidora 57,000. They scored 57,100 they scored. ಈಗ ನಮಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಐತಿರೋ ಅಂತ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾವು we have to plus this number with this number. Then we have to get what? This we have to get. Then your answer will be correct. So 7,43,000 plus 57,100 plus this. We get 0, 0, 1, 10, 10, 8. We got this only, then your answer will be correct. What they are telling there? Here they are telling in the 2002 to 2003, he sold the one person, the one shop sold that. He sold this many bicycles in the year of 2003 to 2003. And the next year, in the 2003 to will be lesser, the 8 lakh will be the more. He sold more in the year 2003 to 2004. He sold more bicycle. Then how much he sold? We have to minus it. Which all we have to minus? 7 minus 8. These two numbers we have to minus. Then we get how many more numbers he sold. We get 57,100. Okay, we get 57,100. Now we'll move on to the next problem. Problem 3. Open page number 3. Here only 3. Problem 3. 3. Okay. The town newspaper is published every day. The town newspaper published every day. One copy has a 12 pages. One copy has a 12 pages. Every day 11,980 copies are printed. How many total pages are printed every day? One publisher newspaper publisher every day publish pages. One copy one copy have 12 pages. Yes, 12 pages. Every day he prints. Every day he get how many copies? 11,980. Okay, so every day hangara how many total pages printed every day? Yes, copy ava sale martana daily ava ishtu copy sale martana. One copy ola 100 pages idav. Hangara one dinಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು paper ಎಷ್ಟು ಇದನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನ ಅವ pages ಅನ್ನು copy ಮಾಡ್ತಾನ. ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನ print ಮಾಡ್ತಾನ. So ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾವು? This into this 11,980 into 12 we have to multiply. We get what? Total number of pages of this many copies. We get total number of pages of these many copies. Okay, multiply. 2 zeros are 0, 2 8s are how much? 16, 2 9s are 18, 19, 2 1s are 2, 3, 2 1s are 2 plus 1 zeros are 0, 1 8s are 8, 1 9s are 1, 9, 1 1s are 1, 1 1s are 1. Add these two. 0, 6, 9 plus 8 will be how much? 9 plus 8 will be how much? 16, 17. Okay, 1 will be carry here. 9, 10, 13, 3, 4 and 1 will be. We get how many pages he prints? Daily he prints 1,43,760 pages he prints for the 11,980 copies. For 11,980 copies he ಎಷ್ಟು pages print ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ದಿನ ಹಂಗಾರೆ 14 lakh he prints. Yes, he prints 14, not 14. 1,43,760. 1,43,000 prints, paper prints he do that. Okay, the next problem. We'll move on to the next problem. They solved it here. We are just solving the solved problems. Okay, solved problem. After solving these all, we'll move on to our exercise. Okay, the next one, fourth problem. The number of sheets of papers available for making notebooks is 75,000. Each sheet makes 8 pages of the notebook. Each notebook contains 200 pages. How many notebooks can be made for the paper available? Number of sheets of papers available for making notebooks. Sheets of papers ಎಷ್ಟು ಅದಾವ available? 75,000 ಅದಾವ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ. Sheets of papers available ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಎಷ್ಟು? ಎಷ್ಟು? Okay. ಆಮೇಲೆ each sheet makes how many pages? Makes 8 pages of notebooks. Okay, each notebooks contains 200 pages. 200 pages contain pages irtavu. ಹೌದಾ? So ಹಂಗಾರ ಏನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ each sheet contains how many pages? 8 sheets. Okay, so what we have to multiply there? We have to multiply these notebooks into how many pages are there? So we have to multiply first that to 75,000 into 8 we have to multiply. How much? 7 zeros are 0, 7 zeros are 0, 7 zeros are 0, 7, 5 8s are how much? 44. Next will be 60. 6 lakhs we got. 6 lakhs pages are available for making notebooks. ಅವನ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಿಕ್ಕು ಹಂಗಾರ 6 lakhs ಏನು ಸಿಕ್ಕು ಅವನ ಕಡೆ pages ಸಿಕ್ಕು. ಈ pages ನ ಅವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನ 100 pages to make one notebook. 200 pages ಇದ್ದ one notebook ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ. ಅವನ ಕಡೆ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು pages ಎಷ್ಟು 6 lakhs. So ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ ಈ 6 lakhs divided by 200. These 6 lakhs divided by 200. We have to divide these two. Here I am doing same. Okay, 200 3,000 are 600. Yes, we got what 3,000 notebooks. We can make 3,000 notebooks. So okay, from starting I will tell you sheets of papers available. ಎಷ್ಟು ಇದಾವ papers ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 75,000 papers ಅದಾವ. ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ 8 pages of a notebook. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ ಅವ್ರ 8 pages of notebooks. ಅವು ಒಂದೊಂದು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು 8 ಇವು ಇರ್ತಾವ. ಸೊ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅವ್ರ ಎಷ್ಟು pages ಅದಾವಲ್ಲ that into 8. So we got 6 lakh. We got from 6 lakh they are telling 200 pages is one book ಆಗಬೇಕು. So 200 pages is one book ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಅವ್ರ ಕಡೆ pages ಇದೆ ಎಷ್ಟು 6 lakh. So what we have to do 6 lakh divided by 200. We get what 3,000. 3,000 books we can form. 3,000 books we can make. Notebooks can be made by that many pages. Okay, we'll move on to our exercise now. Okay children, in your classwork please write the heading exercise number 1.2. all of you exercise number 1.2 all of you write. Okay, first problem I'm just writing the solutions there. You have to do it by yourself. Question and everything you have to do it by yourself. Only solution I will write it on the board. A book exhibition was held for 4 days in the school. One school ಒಳಗೆ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತೈತಿ exhibition ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ. The number of tickets sold at the counter on the first, second, third and the final day was respectively. Okay, ಅವ್ರೇನ ತರ ಎಕ್ಸಿಬಿಷನ್ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ನೊಳಗೆ. ಅವ್ರದೇನ 1 ಡೇ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ಸೋಲ್ ಆದವು, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಡೇ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ಸೋಲ್ ಆದವು, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಡೇ ಎಷ್ಟು, ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಡೇ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸೋಲ್ ಆಗ್ಯಾವ ಅಂತ ಸೋಲ್ಡ್ ಆಗ್ಯಾವ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ದಾತಾರ ಅವರು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇ ಸೋಲ್ಡ್ ಟು ದ 1094, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 1812, 2050 and 2751. Find the total number of tickets sold on all the 4 days. ಅವ್ರೇನ ತರ ಎಕ್ಸಿಬಿಷನ್ ನಾಗ 4 ದಿನ ಎಕ್ಸಿಬಿಷನ್ ನಡೆದೈತೆ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ. ಅವರ ದಿನ ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರ. ಓಕೆ, 1 ಡೇ ಅಷ್ಟಾತ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಡೇ ಇಷ್ಟಾತ, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಡೇ ಇಷ್ಟಾತ, ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಡೇ ಇಷ್ಟಾತ. So finally how many tickets sold on all the 4 days we have to find out. They are asking total. Find the total of tickets sold. Okay, so word problems we have to write with the statement and then we have to solve. A book exhibition was held for 4 days in a school. Okay, in a school. The number of tickets sold for 4 days are first day 1094, second day 1812, third day 2050, fourth day 2075. Okay, yes, the fourth day 2075. I'm writing here up I'm writing. Okay, so total number of tickets sold for 4 days, for 4 things, children. Copy these all things. Okay, for the total number of tickets sold. Total number we have to write the sum. We have to find out the sum. Okay. Okay. We have to add all the 4 days tickets. Which all, how many tickets are sold for the 4 days? We have to add that all things. First will be what? 1094, 1812, 2051, 50. Next one will be 2751. Okay. First write like this. Make a bracket. 1094 plus 1812 plus 2050 plus 2751. After that do like this. Okay. After that do like this. Addition of these all things. Okay. 4 plus 2 will be 6. 6 plus 1 will be 7. Next. 5 plus 5 will be 10. 10 plus 9 will be 19. 20. 2 carry here. Okay. After that 8 plus 8 will be 16 akiti. Otherwise 17 7 80. So how much? 14 15. 15 plus 2 will be 17. 1 carry here again. 2 plus 2 will be 4. 4 5 6 7. 7,707 we got. Yes, 7,707 we got. Yes, exactly we got 7,707. So answer, the total number of tickets sold on all the 4 days is 707. Okay, 7,707. Okay, the first problem you have to write like this only. Don't do shortcuts. I don't want shortcuts. I want full detailed statement for word problems. Understood now? Yes. Okay, copy this also. I will rub. Okay. Okay, children, please copy these all things. The next problems we'll solve it in the next class. Okay, we'll revise it once again and we'll continue with the next examples in the next class. Okay, see you tomorrow. Bye, children.